If you're new around here, we are Graham, Michelle, Maximus and Freya.
For the past year or so, we have been converting our 18-year-old transit minibus into our home from home.
Last week, all that changed as we began our first adventure.
We left you as we settled for our second night with a nice cup of tea. We pick you up where we left off in another park up on the side of the A59 just before Skipton, North Yorkshire. Our night there was quiet and comfortable. I did do a whole bit to camera, but Graham's data management on this trip is very questionable to say the least.
So you'll just have to bear with us as we leave our park up and make our way through the grey morning into Skipton.
Skipton is an old historical market town. It was very busy there, so we didn't stop for very long.
We decided to carry on through after picking up a few essentials and head to Grassington.
So you can stay here overnight. It's £6.50 for 24 hours. You can't, it says unoccupied
vehicles.
Right. Scrap that, it says only for unoccupied vehicles, so you can park your car or your van. But you can't stay in it. Don't know what difference that makes.
I'm not a great believer in the reverence of death, as it were. If you look at this, I much prefer the Viking way. I've said to Shell, if you can get away with it, stack me with some logs on one of those swans on Marine Lake, push me out and launch fiery arrows at me till I burn once I'm gone. That's my idea of a good send-off. I don't know about an afterlife. I believe in energy, and energy is the universe, but I don't decry anyone their beliefs. It's each to their own, and that's fair enough. I love the grandeur, the splendour, the reverence of all these old graves and churches. But it's not for me. I don't believe that, I believe in energy and energy returns.
Energy doesn't ever stop. So, and we are energy.
We are. I mean, you look at all the oldest graves, they've always got the biggest trees.
It's part of robot. Look.
Oh yeah, robots. Robot stood on that one. Is he watching?
Yeah.
What a setting to have your church, though.
It's robot.
But look at these graves. You look at the oldest graves, and they've always got the biggest trees, and that's because they use the energy of the dead to grow.
Generate.
And it's you know,
Which feeds the butterflies, the birds,
everything.
insects, the everything.
Yeah. I don't know, but I mean, it's lovely to come and look at. But I've said I'm quite happy if you can put me on a one of the swans on Marine Lake, pack logs around me, shoot me out to the middle, and fire fiery arrows at me, and that'll be me gone. No problem.
Somewhere a bit more exotic than Marine Lake.
Well, you know what I mean. I'd love the old.
Even here would be nicer than Marine Lake.
See, hold you next to your feet.
How old are you now? I'm not talking to my feet.
Just
we wanted to have a look at Linton Falls, didn't we? So it was a longer walk from the other side. So we've come round, crossed over the river, and driven down. And it's only a short distance from the little car park there down to the path. And this takes you down to the falls. And also, it says Linton Hydro is here. Oh wow, it's quite big, isn't it? We'll just stop off here a minute.
So we've made our way down to Linton Waterfalls. Max is just happy, throwing stones in the river. And Freya's not so happy because she wants to get in the river and have a swim, but it's quite late already and the sun's not out and she won't be dry. And I'm guessing she'll be on our bed tonight. So is she coming on the bed tonight?
Let's see.
Like a little gnome on a rock.
Oh, well, a little gnome. Like a big ogre.
Yeah. Shrek.
Right.
I'm Fiona.
Alright, Fiona.
Yeah, she's alright, Fiona.
Mummy, it's very happy. Hey, it's very happy.
She wants to get in the water, doesn't she?
It's very bit confused.
Yeah, she's a bit confused because she doesn't understand why she can't go in the water, but it's late and the sun's not out and she'll be all soggy for tonight, won't she?
And can I go in the water to take her lead off?
No.
Hello,
Mrs. Duck.
how old is Mrs. Duck?
Hello, Mrs.
How old
Duck.
is he? Hey, how old is Mrs. Duck?
Hello, Mrs. Duck. How old are you?
Probably about 6 or 7 or 8. Oh, yeah.
Maximus played for an hour or so, throwing his stones into the water, before we packed up and headed back to the van. We then set off on our way to find a park up for the night. Driving through the beautiful countryside of North Yorkshire, we made our way to Barden Bridge. We parked up in the lay-by at the side of the road. It was a stunning spot to spend an evening. We had some tea, and then Michelle took Maximus back down to the river so he could throw some more stones and feed the ducks before we settled in for the night.
So Maximus wanted to come. We've had our tea, spaghetti bolognese, it was lovely. And now Maximus wants to come down to the river and throw some stones in. And I've bought some food because there's some ducks that are coming right up, and I put Freya in the van because she likes to get in the water and chase ducks. But yeah, it's really pretty, it's lovely. Go on then, let's see you throw a stone. Woo! There's the ducks. She couldn't see you. Very tame, you know.
Yeah, indeed.
Oh, you got me a nice brew down.
I'm crouching, so we'll make this quick. If you've enjoyed the video, please
Give us a like and subscribe.
And if you want to support us, the best way to do it, we've had a few people ask now about buy me a coffee and that sort of thing. We're not going to set up buy me a coffee because they take money off you. So if you want to buy us a coffee, we'll leave a link to our PayPal in the description below, and just send us a friends and family. on PayPal, and that'll buy us a coffee whilst we're out and about. That's the easiest way.
And if not, then that's
and then if
great
not,
too.
we're not asking you to do that, just people have asked us. So yeah, the best way to support us, if you do want to support us, is we are powered by Roma. We chose them after looking at building our own system and looking at other systems. After speaking to them, they're over this way. We're in a place today and they're very near where we're at. We're not giving anything away yet. But yeah, you can see we're out and about in the van at the moment. So if you want to support us, then use our link in the description below to buy a Roma battery. And we will get a small amount from them for you doing that, because we believe in their product. We've been using it every day whilst we've been out and about now, and we're running pretty much, everything in the van is running on the Roma battery. We've got no charger yet, it's just running straight off the DC to DC MPPT that I set up. But yeah, that Roma battery is awesome and does exactly what it says on the tin. So yeah, the best way to support us
Is to buy Roma.
or to use the
PayPal.
link to
the
buy us
link.
a coffee.
Okay.
Thanks guys, see you next time.
Bye.
Bye.
Because you were crouching, haven't you?